How you guys doing today? Today we're going to talk about how to change oil on a Toyota Sienna 2014. First off, check up the vehicle. Here are the tools you use. 020 Mobil 1 synthetic oil, 6 quart of it. Here's the oil filter from Toyota. Oil filter, 2 washer, and the breather. Screwdriver for the O-rings, a ratchet, 3/8 extension, oil filter cap tool from Amazon, 14mm wrench for the oil drain plug, brand new washer from Toyota or whatever you want to get them at, and funnel. Just release the cap, put a dipstick up. Alright, first off, what you want to do is you want to drain the oil drain bolt, which is located right here. Just loosen it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright, next up is this oil filter cap. Just loosen up the cap right here. Now here's that breather. You do is push it in to release air inside the oil filter. Just let it drain completely out. So that way it releases the pressure inside the cap, and then when you stick this tool in there, it'll be a lot easier to come out. Alright, looks good. Alright, go ahead and get this cap out. Stick this filter in, opener. Alright, this thing got spring loaded in here. Earlier we used this so that way it doesn't drip out a lot of oil. That's it. Alright, let's go ahead and clean this out a little bit. So earlier this tool took this O-ring out that was in here. This O-ring. So when you push it in, this tool took out the O-ring as well. So now it's got to put a new O-ring on later on. Just clean out the oil filter cap very good. So this part got a slit for you. Just pry it out. Here's a new one. I want to get like a dab of oil on the fingertip. Just kind of go around the O-ring itself. And then just put it in the groove. Like that. This groove right here in the middle. Okay. And the oil filter, just go inside. And then just put it back in. And here's the other filter. Loop it up as well. During this time, you want to clean everything out nice and clean. As well as the drain bolt. Still dripping. So put the oil filter cap back on with the oil filter cartridge. And it is spring loaded, so it gets a little bit tighter when once you get in. All right, it's tight. All right, and it's 19 foot-pound. 19.5 foot-pound. Alright, it's good. And then we put the cap back on. And this cap is 9.5 foot-pound. This bait cap is 19.5 foot-pound. 19.5, 9.5. That's it. Alright, now you just put the oil drain plug back on with the brand new washer from Toyota. So once it's touched the oil pan, what I do is I just go quarter turn. That's it. Nice and tight. And while you're in here, just make the oil pan look nice and clean. Alright, go ahead and I went ahead and made a custom funnel because the other funnel didn't fit. It angled all weird. So just place over that and then just fill up with what I do is I fill up with 5 quarts of oil first, start the engine, run it, and then turn off the engine and measure with the dipstick to see where it's at. If it needs more, I'll put a little more, but it should take around 6 quarts. I went ahead and start the car 15 seconds with the cap on. Okay, don't start the engine with the cap off. So put the cap on, run 15 seconds. Measure the dipstick. Right now it's still under the low side. So we'll add another quart of oil in it. All right, it's right in the middle. And put the cap back on, dipstick back in, start the engine, let it run for a little bit, and then check for leaks underneath. All right, this is how you're gonna reset the maintenance light that it has. So it has a maintenance required soon. What you want to do is you want to turn this into trip A. So you hold it in, hold this button in, and then step on the brake at the same time. Put the key into on. Do not start the car, but just turn on. And then you'll see this light, the maintenance light, flash a couple times, and then it'll shut off. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand, but it's kind of hard. See that? While you step on the brakes. Alright, that's pretty much it on how to change oil on a 2014 Toyota Sienna. Most important thing is make sure when you jack up the car, you put in a supporting jack underneath it as well. And you also, when you check your level on the oil dipstick, make sure you're on a flat surface so that way it doesn't give you a wrong reading. Alright, if you like this video, if you want to see more of the DIYs, like, comment, and subscribe, and then I'll make some more.